Okay, so this is how you're going to open Zoom. So first go to https://zoom.us/education, and then you click join a meeting, and then here you will type in my ID. So my ID is 124830563, and then you click here on join, and then here you can type in your name. So for example, Aiden, and then you join, and then you can click over join audio conference by computer, and there you are. So I'm here, and this is my other computer over here that I'm looking at right now. Okay. Alright, if you have any questions, just tell me. Thank you.